What if I told you there's a tiny spice in your kitchen that's more powerful than gold? No, it's not saffron, it's cloves. And tonight, I'm going to show you how a simple cup of clove water can transform your health. Imagine this: you've had a heavy dinner, and your stomach feels like a balloon. Drinking clove water at night helps your digestion, reduces bloating, and even improves your sleep. Why? Because cloves are nature's sedative. They're like a lullaby for your gut. Here's where it gets wild. Clove oil was used in ancient dentistry to numb toothaches. Yep, before Novocaine, there was clove oil. It's packed with antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it a natural immune booster. But wait, there's more. What if I told you cloves can also help with respiratory issues like coughs and colds? Clove water isn't just for your gut, it's for your lungs too. It helps clear mucus, soothes coughs, and even supports heart health by improving blood circulation. Think of it as a spa day for your insides. Now, here's the best part: making clove water is as easy as boiling water. Take 4 to 5 cloves, simmer them in water for 5 minutes, let it cool, and boom, you've got a health elixir. Pro tip: if it tastes too bitter for you, add a little honey. Because let's be real, even health gurus need a little sweetness in their lives. So, are you ready to give clove water a try? Trust me, your body will thank you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments how clove water works for you. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.